What's going on, y'all? I've been I've been going through some trials with Cubase today. I was supposed to be recording my podcast. Let's see here. All this stuff is I'm not sure what's going on with Cubase, but I have the excuse me. I had the newest update, but for some reason it every time I go in to try to change my inputs and outputs, and in the connections manager is it's not letting me click on anything. I mean, like, or to let me click the left channel but not the right channel of a stereo channel, and I'm not sure what's going on, but maybe it's something on my end. So I'm just going through, just checking my updates and trying to see what's what. Maybe I need to I don't know. Um, I just maybe need to go through my computer, see what's what. But these are the things that you don't expect when you're an audio engineer trying to uh, keep your creativity going. But these are realities. Anytime you're dealing with technology, sometimes if you're dependent on something else, sometimes it can get a little crazy. But so if it's something on my end, I'll make sure I do another video and apologize to Steinberg. I've been using Cubase since Cubase SE. I don't even know. That was before they started really numbering it. I don't even know which Cubase that was. I don't think it was the very first one. I don't know. But Steinberg, if you see this video, um, I don't know if I should apologize yet, but I do love your software, and I'm gonna try to figure out what's going on. But I'll see you guys as soon as I really get this worked out. So you'll be getting a podcast from me, and it's gonna be a very interesting podcast too. Because I've been doing music for quite some time, and over the time of me doing music, I've experienced people saying that they have quit music, and I find that quite interesting. So I want to talk about it, and hopefully I can change a few minds. I won't be able to change everybody because some people aren't really invested. Some people kind of picked it up as a hobby, but it's more of a lifestyle to me. It's music is almost like my therapy. So, and also I've been getting more into reason too. So I have I have a long history with Reason. So, well, now it's Reason Studios, but it was Propeller Head before. It was Propeller Head Reason. So, yeah. So hopefully I can get this worked out. And I'm doing this on the phone, by the way. I bought an app called Filmic Pro. I think it's pretty cool. It looks cool. So we're gonna see how it looks when it when I actually play it back, because I did a video before. It was looking all nice and everything, you know, and then I played it back. It was kind of grainy and crazy looking. So yeah, but if you guys like this look more, please let me know. It makes it so much simpler when I know what you guys want, what you guys are looking for. But I'm not gonna make this long. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so we can stay linked up. And you like, and if you guys want to see my face cam along with my screen, let me know. I'll make that happen. Um, it's a little bit more work, but I'm willing to do it for you guys.